Alright, 2019 Mass Bomb Squad, we're going again. So this little video here is a continuation of the class on Saturday gone there. That would have been the last Saturday in January. Yes? The 26th, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 26th, right? So in that class, what we did, we looked at what I like to call two-point theory. We looked at finding the distance between 2 points. We looked at finding the midpoint of the line segment joining 2 points. In this video, what I'm going to do is look at finding the gradient of the line segment. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just give a little talk about what the gradient is, and then we'll do some calculations. Alright, so what's the concept of the gradient? It sounds like some big convoluted thing, right? But it's very simple to understand, right? If you're driving in a car and you're driving on a flat road, that's that. You wouldn't really feel anything. But as soon as you start to move up a hill, you start to feel something. And then you move up a hill again, you start to feel something. And then you move up an even steeper hill, you start to feel something. Right? So you will feel something, you know you're going up, and the car itself will have to do more work. Usually you will have to go into a lower gear, etc., etc., etc. Alright? So we all have some kind of intuitive understanding of what gradient is. Gradient is simply a measure of how steep the incline is. Right? It could be horizontal, which is one extreme, or it could be totally vertical, which is the other extreme. So all the gradients will lie between these two extremes, horizontal or vertical. Now of course, your regular car wouldn't be able to go vertically. It might have specialist vehicles that could do that, but that is a different discussion. Alright, so the next step naturally is to quantify these things, to measure them using numbers. How do I know between two gradients which is the greater one, right? Which is the steeper hill between this one and that one? Which is the steeper one between this one and that one, right? So from an intuitive perspective, we know that this hill is obviously steeper than this hill. It means that no, forget that, right? But which hill is steeper between this hill and this hill? We can't tell using our eyes, right? So there will be situations where the difference is so great that you can look at it immediately and know what it is, and then there will be circumstances where it's kind of close, so you're not sure. So that is where the whole idea of quantifying it comes into effect, right? Two hills might have similar gradients, but you might need to know which one is more steep than the other one, etc., etc., etc. Alright? So we start from what you're familiar with, we start with what you know, we start with what you could feel intuitively, and then we move into the exact quantification of whatever it is you're dealing with. Good? So how do we do that?